The final step in this 4-step cleaning process is extraction of water and soil from the restroom. For extraction, you will first connect the dual head squeegee to the squeegee wand by loosening the collar on the wand and inserting the squeegee head into the cuff. Tighten the cuff and check to see that the head is locked in place yet still rotates. Next, you will remove the vacuum hose from the CR2 and place it on the floor by the machine where it is still dry. Then hook one end of the hose to the squeegee wand and the other end of the vacuum hose to the hose barb on the rear top of the machine. Finally, turn on the vacuum with the vacuum switch on the handle. Start near the machine and extract against the grain on the floor. Starting at the front of the room helps keep your vacuum hose cleaner and drier during the extraction process. Work your way towards the middle of the room and leverage the S-bend shape of the wand to easily get under urinals. You will finish extracting at the end of the room, and because you have picked up water and soil on the way, you have helped keep your vacuum hose clean and dry. Once again, utilize the S-bend shape of the squeegee wand to get under toilets and other low objects. An optional step you can take after you extract is to connect the dryer tool and blower hose to the CR2 to quickly dry off chrome fixtures, toilet seats, and other surfaces that might streak or collect water. It is very important to note that you must keep your dryer hose and your vacuum hose separate and use each one exclusively for its purpose. Wrap up your vacuum hose and store it on the machine. Wrap up the power cord and store it on the machine as well. Load the squeegee wand into the wand caddy and you are ready to move the CR2 onto the next job site.